Let us look at another algebraic question, again from the official GMAT, categorized as an easy question. So, we have been given a relation that x is greater than y and y is greater than z. So, now we have to find which among the following option is gives us the greatest number. So now there are multiple ways to solve this. We can ideally plug in x, y, and z on a number line and then look at the distance between each of this by considering that x is greater than y on the number line and y is greater than z on the number line. So which distance is the largest to cover? So based on that, and based on the positive and negative values, you can ideally identify which of this is the biggest. So, considering that that takes in a bit of time, the much more simpler or the easier way is to plug in values for each of this x, y, and z, and then using the options, identify which of this gives you the greatest value. So, I've tried the same here. So given that x is greater than y and y is greater than z, take in simpler values. So you identify that uh, z is the least of the values, x is the greatest, and y is somewhere in the middle. So let's take x is 3, y is 2, and z is 1. So now if I plug in these values in each of those options given, x minus z, I would get it as 2, x minus y, I would get it as 1, y minus x is minus 1, z minus y is minus 1, and z minus x is minus 2. So we only have two positive values in this, which is x minus z and x minus y. And out of that, the greatest value is x minus z. So that is your answer, which is option A, x minus z.